Cosmos is a universe of interconnected blockchains with the aim of creating a web of blockchains. A decentralized web where value and data can be freely exchanged across different platforms and applications. This has earned it the nickname Internet of Blockchains. Cosmos is not just another run-of-the-mill blockchain platform, but an ecosystem of blockchains that can scale and interoperate with each other while preserving their sovereignty and diversity. Cosmos is also empowering developers to build their own application-specific blockchains, using best-in-class tools and frameworks that are user-friendly and accessible. If you're a regular in the crypto space, you'll agree that this is a huge deal for the future of decentralized applications and the mass adoption of blockchain technology. In today's video, we'll cover the basics of Cosmos, its origin story, the technology behind it, the Atom token, and much more. So if you're interested in learning more about Cosmos and why it's in the running to be the next big thing in crypto, make sure to watch till the end. Without taking any more time, let's jump right in. To start with, Cosmos is built around two core concepts: interoperability and customization. In the case of Cosmos, interoperability refers to the ability of different blockchains to communicate and exchange value with each other using a common protocol called IBC, or inter-blockchain communication. This allows for cross-chain transactions, data transfers, asset swaps, and much more. The second concept, customization, refers to the ability of developers to build their own application-specific blockchains using a framework called Cosmos SDK, or Software Development Kit. This allows them to choose their own features, rules, and parameters for their blockchains without having to rely on someone else's platform. To get a better understanding, you can think of Cosmos as a Lego set for building blockchains. You can use different pieces and modules to create your own custom blockchains that can interoperate with each other. So how did Cosmos come to be, and what has its journey been like? The origin of Cosmos can be traced as far back as 2014. It was created by a team of developers who saw the limitations of existing blockchain platforms and wanted to create a better solution. The founding team comprised Jay Kwon and Ethan Buchman, who originally co-founded Tendermint, the gateway to the Cosmos ecosystem. The team realized early on that blockchains were pretty much siloed and couldn't communicate with each other, which, as you can imagine, created fragmentation and inefficiency in the crypto space. They also realized that blockchains were basically one-size-fits-all solutions. This forced developers to compromise on their needs and preferences and conform to what was available. The Tendermint team wanted to create a network of blockchains that could scale and interoperate with each other while preserving their sovereignty and diversity. Let's take a look at the chronological journey of Cosmos through the years. The team started working on Cosmos in 2016, with Kwon and Buchman, the co-founders of Tendermint, publishing a white paper for the project. In 2017, they launched a successful fundraising campaign, raising $17 million in the first 29 minutes of the sale. In December 2018, Game of Stakes was launched, which extensively tested the Cosmos network for the first time. Game of Stakes was a competition that challenged validators to secure the network under various scenarios and conditions. Then, the official mainnet of Cosmos was launched in March 2019. After several years of research and development, the mainnet launch marked the beginning of the interchain era, where different blockchains can communicate and cooperate with each other using the IBC protocol. In later 2019, Kava Labs officially became the first project to launch its mainnet using the Cosmos SDK. For those not familiar with it, Kava Labs is a decentralized finance platform that offers lending, borrowing, and stablecoin services on the interchain. In February 2020, the Cosmos community faced a major challenge when its principal founder, Jay Kwon, stepped down from his position as the company's CEO. Kwon decided to focus on another project called Virgo, which aims to create a decentralized cloud computing platform. This decision sparked controversy and the split within the Cosmos community, as some members questioned Kwon's commitment and vision for Cosmos. However, despite this setback, Cosmos continued to grow and innovate under the leadership of Peng Zhang, the new CEO of Tendermint. In September 2020, anonymous credentials were brought to the Cosmos ecosystem as the company partnered with NIM for the first time. In February 2021, Cosmos released its biggest project ever, named Stargate. Stargate was officially the first public release that included the IBC. This launch solidified Cosmos' position in the blockchain market as the leader in interoperability and scalability solutions. Stargate also introduced several other improvements and features for the Cosmos ecosystem, including faster synchronization, better performance, richer queries, and enhanced security. Cosmos has since implemented numerous updates and challenges. Very often, many people confuse the Cosmos Hub for the Cosmos ecosystem. They're not the same. The Cosmos Hub is one of the many application-specific blockchains in the Cosmos ecosystem, which also houses projects like Thorchain, Binance Chain, Osmosis, Loom, Kava Labs, IrisNet, Crypto.org, and many others. Now, this is a good place to talk about the technical aspects of Cosmos, including its architecture, consensus mechanism, governance model, and security features. Cosmos uses a modular architecture that consists of three main components: Tendermint Core, Cosmos SDK, and IBC Protocol. Tendermint Core is a consensus engine that powers the blockchains in the Cosmos network. It uses a Byzantine fault-tolerant or BFT algorithm that ensures fast and secure transactions across multiple nodes. It also allows for easy upgrades and forks without disrupting the network. Cosmos SDK, on the other hand, is a framework that allows developers to build their own application-specific blockchains using various modules and plugins. It provides common functionalities such as accounts, tokens, staking, and governance, while allowing developers to customize their own features and logic for their applications. It also supports multiple programming languages, including Go, Rust, and JavaScript, making it readily accessible and user-friendly for developers. The last architectural component, IBC Protocol, is a standard that allows different blockchains to communicate and exchange value with each other. This protocol allows for cross-chain transactions, data transfers, asset swaps, and much more. It also ensures that the blockchains maintain their sovereignty and independence without affecting each other. In addition to its architectural component, Cosmos uses a delegated proof-of-stake system to elect validators who secure the network and participate in governance decisions. Validators are nodes that stake Atom tokens, the native currency of the Cosmos Hub, and validate transactions and blocks on the network. They also vote on proposals that affect the network, such as upgrades and parameter changes. Apart from that, Atom holders can also delegate their tokens to validators and earn a share of their rewards and voting power while retaining ownership of their tokens. This creates a more democratic and decentralized system that aligns the incentives of all participants. Speaking of Atom tokens, let's talk about the role and function of the Atom token on the Cosmos network. Atom is the native currency of the Cosmos Hub, which, as we've mentioned, serves as the economic center and router of the interchain. Atom holders can stake their tokens to secure the network and earn rewards and fees, as well as vote on proposals that affect the network. They can also use their tokens to access other services and applications on the interchain, such as decentralized exchanges, liquidity pools, wrapped assets, and more. For example, holders can swap their Atom tokens for other tokens from different blockchains using the IBC protocol. Or they can provide liquidity for Atom pairs on a decentralized exchange and earn fees and rewards. Atom has an infinite supply, meaning there's no limit to how many tokens can be manufactured. This gives Atom an inflationary model as prescribed by the Cosmos team. Next, Atom serves three main purposes on the network. Staking. Atom holders can stake their tokens to become validators or delegators on the Cosmos Hub. As with most blockchains, staking Atom tokens helps secure the network and attract rewards. Governance. Atom holders can participate in the governance of the Cosmos Hub by voting on proposals that affect the network. Proposals can be related to technical upgrades, parameter changes, funding requests, and more. That said, voting power is proportional to the number of Atom tokens staked. Interchain services. Atom holders can use their tokens to access various interchain services provided by the Cosmos Hub, such as IBC transfers, gravity bridge transfers, interchain accounts, and decentralized exchanges. These services enable cross-chain communication and interoperability among different blockchains. Cosmos is a solid crypto project that solves an important challenge in the crypto space. It's creating the Internet of Blockchains, a decentralized web where value and data can be freely exchanged across different platforms and applications. Cosmos is also empowering developers to build their own application-specific blockchains using best-in-class tools and frameworks that are user-friendly and accessible, encouraging diversity and innovation in the blockchain space. This innovative blockchain is truly a game changer and a leader in the blockchain space. We're very excited to see what the future holds for it. That's all for today's video. If you found our video informative, then please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get updates on all our future videos.